Assalamu alaikum everyone, you are watching FL Institute. Today is a special day because today I'm gonna explain the history of a great personality who is Liaquat Ali Khan, a first Prime Minister of Pakistan. But before moving toward the topic, I request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So let's step ahead toward the topic without wasting your time and my time. So, Nawabzada Liaquat Ali Khan, often simply referred to as Liaquat, he was one of the leading founding fathers of modern Pakistan. He was statesman, lawyer, and political theorist who became and served as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. He was also the first Defense Minister and Minister of Commonwealth and Kashmir Affairs from 1947 until his assassination in 1951, born and hailed from Colonel East Punjab. His father name was Nawab Rustam Ali Khan and mother name was Mahmood Begum. Liaquat Ali's marriage took place in 1933. His wife Begum Rana was a distinguished economist and an educationist who stood by her husband during the ups and downs of his political career. Talking about his education, Ali Khan was educated at the Aligarh Muslim University in India and the Oxford University in the United Kingdom, UK. Ali Khan was also influential member of the Muslim League. Ali Khan was invited first to join the Congress party but allied himself with the Muslim League, playing a vital role in the independence of India and Pakistan. He and his wife are credited with persuading Jinnah to return to India, an event which marked the beginning of the Muslim League's ascendancy. Ali Khan assisted Jinnah in campaigning for the creation of a separate state for Indian Muslims. His influential role led the British Indian Empire to disintegrate into the modern day state of India and Pakistan. Considered the confidence of Jinnah, Ali Khan was appointed first Prime Minister, but his government faced imminent challenges and endless regional conflict with India, forcing Ali Khan to approach his counterpart Jawaharlal Nehru to reach a settlement to end the religious violence, but Nehru pushed for the referral of the problem to the United Nations (UN). Ali Khan faced internal political unrest and also survived, coupled with the leftists and communists. His influence further grew after the death of Jinnah. After his death, Ali Khan was popularly given the titles of Qaidi Millat, leader of the nation, and Shahidi Millat, martyr of the nation. Going back to the 1923, on his return from England in 1923, Liaquat Ali Khan decided to enter politics to liberate his homeland from the foreign yoke. Right from the very beginning, he was determined to eradicate the injustices and ill treatment meted out to the Indian Muslims by the British. In his early life, Liaquat Ali Khan, like most of the Muslim leaders of his time, believed in Indian nationalism, but his view gradually changed. The Congress leaders invited him to join their party, but he refused and joined the Muslim League in 1923. Under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam, the Muslim League held its annual session in 1924 May in Lahore. Liaquat Ali Khan started his parliamentary career from the UP Legislative Assembly in 1926 as an independent candidate. Later, he formed his own party, the Democratic Party, within the Legislative Assembly and was elected as its leader. He remained a member of the UP Legislative Council till 1940 when he was elected to the Central Legislative Assembly. He won the Central Legislature election in 1945 to 1946 from the Meerut constituency in UP. He was also elected chairman of the League's Central Parliamentary Board. He assisted Quaid-e-Azam in his negotiations with the members of the cabinet mission and the leaders of the Congress during the final phase of the freedom movement, when the government asked the Muslim League to send their nominees for the representation in the interim government. Liaquat was asked to lead the League group in the cabinet. He was given the portfolio of the finance, which he handled brilliantly. He influenced the working of all the departments of the government and presented a poor man's budget. His policies as finance minister helped in convincing Congress to accept the Muslim demand of the separate homeland. After independence, Quaid-e-Azam and Muslim League appointed Liaquat to be the head of the Pakistan government, being the first prime minister of the country. He had to deal with many difficulties facing Pakistan in its early days. Liaquat Ali Khan helped Quaid-e-Azam in solving the riot and refugee problem and setting up an effective administrative system for the country after the death of Quaid-e-Azam. So let's talk about the end of Liaquat Ali Khan life. On October 16th in 1951, Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated. He had been scheduled to make an important announcement in a public meeting at Municipal Park, Rawalpindi in Pakistan. The security forces immediately shoot the assassin, who was later identified as Sayyid Akbar Khan Babrakzai, who was Pashtun, who was from the host Afghanistan. Killing the assassin erased all clues to the identity of the real culprit behind the murder. Liaquat Ali Khan was officially given the title of Shahidi Millat. So I hope you have gotten the history and the biography of a great personality who is Liaquat Ali Khan, who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. So this is all for today. If you have any question related to this topic, the history of Liaquat Ali Khan, so you can just comment me in the comment box below. And in the end, I would like to wind up my topic with this request to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So this is all for today. Have a nice day. Thanks for being a part of this class. Allah Hafiz.